guys, I'm Hannah Bronfman and I'm the author of Do What Feels Good. So today I'm gonna make my Jalisco Mule, and it is a different take on a regular mule. I've added some jalapeno in there and mixed with the ginger beer. It is just delicious. The first thing I'm doing for this mule is muddling up some jalapeno and lime juice. Believe it or not, jalapenos actually speed up your metabolism, which means that you'll digest your food a little bit more quickly. The second thing is adding about 2 ounces of tequila, which I'm gonna eyeball that in ginger beer. I'm just gonna add a little bit of coconut milk in here. And then I'm gonna put everything over ice in the shaker. Shake it up, strain it. I much prefer tequila than any other spirit because it's low in calories and low in carbs. I'm just gonna add like a dash or 2 of bitters and some lime for garnish. There you have it. Cheers, guys.